How to register DBS Digibank. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser and search DBS Bank registration. Then click on the first link that pops up, which is online banking registration. In here, you'll find identity type. Select your identity type as there are three options. After you've selected the identity type, add your identity number. Then add your date of birth. After that, you can press on next. You will need to authenticate, enter credential, and review and confirm. And after that, you will be registered to this bank. This is how to register DBS Digibank. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.